Alright guys, down on the track here, another beautiful day in the site, and just loaded a university campus in Brisbane, and rock and roll as the guys just opened the way for me, and I gotta really go. So let's see this one here, and sorry for my hands, a bit in a hurry here. Let's see where this tipping site is. Another beautiful day, sunshine, and off we go. Hope you guys are having a good view. Had a great weekend surfing, and Saturday was great, no winds, great waves, and Sunday blasty winds, so great kite surfing actually. Really enjoy. There we go.
Head southwest on West Creek Road towards Science Road.
That's it. Alrighty, nice and tight. Very slow digging, lots of rocks. There's a trench they're digging 150 meters in length, and they cannot accumulate dirt, so they're always waiting for me to come back in order to be able to load again. So I'll try to do my best. Right, super nice guys. Tipper track on West Creek Road, driving towards Ring Road, exiting the site.
Turn left onto Ring Road.
It's only one way here. Bloody hell, not good. It's gonna take forever.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, actually, it's gonna make a U-turn on the roundabout. So this is a massive campus, beautiful. Engineering, technology, and aviation. Wow, aviation brings up good memories.
Yep.
Lots of speed bumps as well. Lots of people in and out here, so I have to be very cautious and go very slow, around 20 k's an hour or less. Full of speed bumps anyway as well. Speed humps. At the beginning I thought were bumps, but they are humps actually. H-U-M-P, it's the correct term. Humps, speed humps. Beautiful campus, wow. Makes me feel like I want to go back studying. Aviation technology, interesting. Although there's not much going on in the aviation industry right now. So I'm not sure it's a good feel there.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Griffith Road.
lots of koalas around here, so really speed limit restricted. 20 k's evening after dusk, and 40 k's during the day. Koala zone. It would be nice to see one chewing on a gum tree. Here we go, finally the main road, huh? Just exiting the side now. Wow. Time I'm gonna leave it in second gear with exhaust brakes engaged, all because it's getting quite steep at the end. Not good. It's pumping too much on the brakes. So this is Griffith University. Probably you can see Nathan campus. Massive campus, beautiful. Well organized. Lucky the students starting here. Really nice. These lights are going to take forever. We are the last priority here on this side, because there's a hospital on the other side and main road on the other one. Patience, patience.
Continue on Main Road 2 for 3 kilometers.
Now this is the road I used to take every day to go to my previous job, and also during the job. Very busy road at peak time. This one, don't want to be here in peak time. Oof, chock-a-block all the way to the entrance of the freeway. Freeway or motorway in UK English. I don't know, in US, probably in US they just call it highway or freeway. forgot my spoon this morning and forgot even my Lucky Charm croc hat. Went to bed a bit late yesterday, big day, kite surfing full on. So yeah, I forgot to put the spoon for my brekkie. Luckily at these construction sites, they're very well organized, and I managed to borrow one of their spoons in the kitchen. I'll just give it back once I'm done with my brekkie. My yummy brekkie, done with so much love by my beautiful love. It's very good later on when I'm done with this job. At the end of the day, there is a truck stop here because I have to refuel and also put some AdBlue. As you can see, the green bars are going down. That's the AdBlue tank. And even if you have a full tank of diesel but you run out of AdBlue, then the truck will not move. It's designed to go with AdBlue for emissions. About legality. It could go without AdBlue, but they just put a block, I think, electronic control unit. Stops the engines anyway. Drive to go if I can go here. But I don't think so. No, blocked. Not much space here. disposal site for this load today, it's hopefully it will be the right one. It's a dog training center, or I think they train as well, they train dogs for competitions, and also they make competitions there. That's what it looks like from Google Maps with the satellite view. It'll be interesting. Hopefully not too many dogs around that I have to be careful to you know, drive with the truck, because I wouldn't want to hurt any beautiful dogs around, you know. Should be good. I reckon if it's a competition center, probably today nothing going on, so it will be all clear. This light lasts probably not even 5 seconds. Crazy. Sometimes there are undercover cops here with the van and the speed camera. So the speed limit is 60 anyway, so no worries. It's good to know, be aware. Because I'm fully loaded, a bit of downhill, you start speeding in without noticing. That's the issue with heavy trucks. Beautiful tree, I love these trees. my previous company used always to turn right here. There was a custom here. Never been further up this point. From this point on, so let's say. Anyway, we're gonna turn off very soon. Bit of a small creek there. So many traffic lights. That's what makes everything slower. There's a lot of traffic as well. Let's see if we're gonna make this green light. Yep. Now Aries. Landscaping, concrete plants. Interesting. No, that's more landscaping. Maybe even concrete as well. Resource recovery facility. Okay, good to know. There is something there, just in case they won't accept our load where we're going. So that's a good backup plan. As well. Yep, good stuff. Connecting the dots. Oh, this must be the dog train. No, I don't know. There's something there.
Turn left onto King Avenue.
Local traffic only, huh?
In 600 meters, turn left.
I think there's a golf course around these sides. I'm not sure. No, not really. No. I feel like I've been on this road. Cuts through somewhere. I gotta find the entrance. I don't want to do dodgy maneuvers like if I pass the correct entrance. Very close, I think. Yep, it looks like a center or something, yeah.
Turn left, then turn left.
Canine Control Council showground. All right, interesting.
Turn left.
Let's see where we're going, because you can see some earth equipment there, but I'm not sure.
100 meters, turn left. Turn left, then turn left.
My best bet is that the site is here. Hopefully they will have some radio, but let's see. Is that guy there?
Turn left, then turn left.
Oh. I know this guy. Hey guy, Mike.
Where are you coming
Good to
from
see you.
with that?
Ah, my GoPro.
Where are you coming from? The highway, or are you coming out from
Griffith
Geelong?
University. Oh, now the road?
Oh no, have you got Phil?
Yeah.
Yeah, which job are you on?
Griffith University
Oh.
from BPH.
BPH?
Capabella.
Yeah, okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Mate, what we're doing is
Yeah.
you just follow this track around
Yeah.
and then see where the stockpile is down the end. So you drive in and then reverse straight back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, as far back as you can.
Oh, on which line? The first one, yeah?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
drive in
Yeah.
and then just reverse straight back to
Yeah.
you see those stockpiles at the end.
Yeah, alright.
Thanks,
cool.
buddy.
Alright, mate.
Cheers, mate.
See you later. Nice guy. Funny. His signature good morning for all viewers. So the coordinator for a big contractor, Pink, that we work for and we get paid by. So, and very nice guy indeed. And off we go, tailgate open and tipping. Yeah, we're quite full. The loader guy, very professional, because tight space, he was coordinating very good, not easy to dig, load, change attachments because he had to drill on the rock. It requires a lot of skills and experience, motor skills, coordinations. It's amazing what's going on in these jobs. They seem so easy if you don't know what the trade is. It's, oh yeah, anyone can do it. Well, it requires a lot to become fully capable and efficient on a loader or excavator. Man, it takes really time to master, especially doing some particular jobs. And a lot of stuff. That's it. Beautiful, done. Whew. Very nice indeed. Now back to the site. This is optional Google Maps. It works offline, so I'm not using any mobile data or anything or any credit whatsoever. In order to do that, you go to I'll show you the beginning. Google Maps, you have to sign in, and you go to so you press on your that's the beginning of my surname, sorry, of my yeah, it is my surname as well, but in this case is my Down Under Trackie channel. And you just go on offline maps, and you will see you can choose the area, and then you download, and then will auto update, and you can do that for so many areas. There is a size limit. If the area is too big, you need more, and you download another area attached to it. You will see very easy, and it works offline, so you don't waste credit. Of course, there's no real traffic prediction, so the estimate time of arrival or traveling may be inaccurate, in particular peak times, but it does the job very well without spending credit. All right, off we go, and I'm talking. And that's it. Hey mate, sorry, you are on channel 40? No. No, I think, yeah, this is the only exit, I think, pretty sure. Don't think we can exit from that gate. That's good. Now on this surface here, because it's a bit soft, so we had the good grip on all the axles when we were empty. I didn't need to engage the cross locks and differential locks as well, so easy.
Turn left onto King Avenue.
exactly where we are now. Interesting. Kind of big circle. speed limit is 70 k's an hour, and they're going not even 60 k's an hour. Probably scared of the a speed camera, which is on the other side of the road. Amazing. Don't have a clue, honestly. Now, patience. It's gonna be delayed only a few seconds anyway. Not a big deal at all. Tipper track inbound West Creek Road.
Hey Mitch, that third one just chucked the U. You want to come back up now? Yeah mate, he's right. On the way. It's just a single. Derby on the single. so far. Are they joint traffic lights? Has he got both of them? Oh yeah, they are actually. Yeah, he's got both. Yep, too easy. Send them up to Mitch. I'm walking there now. One coming out here, Mitch. There you're on.
Beautiful. Right now guys, I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna stay here a while because it's a very slow loading process. So you can see on the mirror they're digging a trench. There's not much they can do with that small attachment on the excavator. So hope you enjoy. Another beautiful day in Down Under.
Yeah mate, you're clear.
Driving big trucks. So far, heavy rigid license. The goal is always to get the multi-combination license after 1 year from the heavy rigid license. From the moment I got the heavy rigid license, so after 1 year I'm cleared to proceed with a multi-combination license in order to drive the meanest and biggest trucks in the world, the famous road trains with the 200 tons, 4, 5, 6 trailers. Amazing. Right guys, hope you enjoy another beautiful day, and from Down Under Truckee, like and subscribe please. Take it easy.